Sånt skehti ja kaarenkettu.
Today it's the 30th of October 2021 and we have Löydöspolku.
Yeah.
Löydöspolku Finstegen. Was it 2?
Yeah.
Yeah, staircase C. But we still have two more staircases to go here. The staircase B and D, which I hope we will get to as soon as possible. And this was built in 1976 with MP8 fixtures, turning 45 years old this year. 2021 probably finished in like late 1976. And there's a number SH 33547. Capacity is 4 persons, 320 grams, and it's going to be inspected in 2023. Amazing. We managed to get to the staircase A today also.
Yeah.
The codes are completely impossible to this building.
Yeah.
And I forgot to mention this in Myyrmäki, Myyrmäki, Länsi-Vantaa, Väster-Vantaa, and Helsinki Helsingfors region, also in modernized Finland. I will do a second cylinder ride. Of course it deserves 2 rides because it's impossible to get inside here.
Yeah.
Or almost impossible. I saw that the door to the staircase D is not too slow. It's pretty slow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is det by lifting instructor to maintain the bicycle? That's